Hi there, my name is Bob Yang, consultant urologist at Royal Berkshire Hospital and specialist in incontinence surgery for both men and women. The title of my ICS EUS workshop is The Adjustable Incontinence Devices for Men, a practical hands-on workshop. With the rising numbers of SUI post-prostate cancer and BPH treatment, fixed products are often insufficient. Now, this workshop focuses on the latest development, adjustable incontinence devices. These allow for post-operative, outpatient adjustments, offering clinicians the unique ability to tailor treatment precisely to a patient's evolving continence levels, optimizing outcomes. In this course, we will be learning about 3 key devices: the suburethral system, the Athens, the para-urethral system, the ProACT, and the adjustable sphincter, the ZSI 375. As both the ICS and EUS consistently champion cutting-edge treatment, it is with great pleasure I direct this course on adjustable male incontinence devices. Basing it in Abu Dhabi perfectly mirrors what we offer, as the UAE is truly at the forefront of embracing the latest medical advancements. For me, this conference is a fantastic opportunity to both learn about the new treatment options and network with global leaders in this field.